We made it through the Guatemala-El Salvador border. It only took us an hour and a half, and that was crossing with our 2 dogs. We left the border zone and headed for the mountains.
We're en route to the Santa Ana area, to the largest national park in El Salvador, called Cerro Verde, or Parque Nacional Los Volcanos. Cerro Verde National Park is about 80 kilometers from San Salvador, the capital city of El Salvador. The roads in El Salvador are excellent, the best roads in all of Central America. Over the past few years, the government has invested a lot of money into road improvements in an effort to boost tourism. We have traveled all across El Salvador, and we did not find any bad roads. This also means that driving in El Salvador, your GPS travel time is pretty accurate, a real change from driving in Mexico and Guatemala, where the road conditions often meant slow travel times. Unless you're on a toll road in Mexico, those roads were great driving.
Many people that are driving to Nicaragua often pass through El Salvador and Honduras in one day and head straight for Nicaragua. We are so glad we didn't do that.
El Salvador truly surprised us with its beauty and friendly people. The country is small, but very diverse in terrain. You can be in the mountains and reach the ocean within just a few hours, making it a great place to explore. Tourism is on the rise in El Salvador. Of course, the big question is it safe? We did a lot of research before coming and spoke with some friendly locals when we were there. Several years ago, El Salvador was considered a very dangerous place to travel and was on the do not travel list. The current El Salvadorian government has worked really hard to clean up the crime and gang-related violence and has turned the situation around. It's not only safer for travel, but also for residents. So absolutely add El Salvador to your bucket list.
Cerro Verde National Park is 2,000 meters above sea level, so be prepared for cooler temperatures, especially in the evening. The forest and vegetation stay green year-round, as this area gets more rain and mist, keeping everything well hydrated.
The road entering Camp Cristal is lined by really unique sculpted hedges. Someone who works here is very artistic. There are 3 volcanoes in the park: Cerro Verde, Izalco, and Santa Ana. You can hike with a guide to the summit of both Izalco and Santa Ana. The Santa Ana volcano is the tallest volcano in the country and has a beautiful blue-azul lagoon inside.
The Cerro Verde volcano is more like a dense forested hill. It's a flathead volcano. There are many hiking trails through Cerro Verde.
There are several places to camp in the Cerro Verde area. We chose CAMP CRISTAL. You can find all the details on the iOverlander app. Camping here costs just $7.50 US total, a really great price. The grounds are very big and there's lots of space. They also have small cabins for rent and recreational areas for picnicking. There are bathrooms and showers there. However, they were very, very dirty when we visited.
The views were breathtaking, and it was very relaxing. We had a quiet afternoon and had a bonfire that evening, complete with popcorn.
We really enjoyed it here and would have loved to spend a few days, but we needed to stay on schedule. We had planned 1 month to travel from Canada to our home in Nicaragua. We are leaving the mountains and headed to the Pacific Ocean. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you beachside on the next amazing adventure.